Now let's see something important that we are forgetting from the start, that we have here 0 and minus 30 here. So we have another level, which is the outside ground of this house, small house, because as you see and you notice, we have two stairs here, and also for here we have two stairs. This means that we have a level which is the outside or the outground or the outside of the house. So I will go now to any elevation, let's say that the north or the south, and try to add another one. Maybe this is 0 0. So I will try to click on the level and create similar, and then I will pick this level, but let's give here for the offset minus 0.3, because I am working in meter. No, it's in centimeter here in Revit, so I have to put minus 30 here, and let's put it below the 0. I will get this 0.3. As you notice, we have here a small sign. You can click on it because the levels will be at that side, and also for that one, but it will be also here. So you have the opportunity to click on this small circle to put it like that. You have now the opportunity to maybe change the names of level 1, level 2, level 3. Let's say that we want to change it. You can click on it and try to type, for example, ground floor, and for the level 3 it will give you also this message that you have the to change it also in the project browser. So I am going with yes, and as you see, once I put yes, the level name changed from level 1 to ground floor. Also for level 3, maybe you can rename it for example outside or anything you want, maybe the site level or something like that. And also for level 2 I will go with for example maybe floor, a roof floor, and click here OK and yes. So now maybe we can go to the 3D. Maybe you can select this one and also select all instances visible in a view, and in that case I will go for the base constraint or the base offset with minus 30, because the walls must be extended to the exterior level or the outside level. Also for the interior, maybe you can do that, but we have also not to do that for the interior, just for the exterior. Okay, now we have done with the walls and the levels.